This, don't worry guys, my hand is clean. Now, just look at that. Isn't this beautiful? Just a minute, let me test it. I tasted it before, but longer truth is in me. Except you've not eaten the right one. Parfait is nice. Parfait feels like heaven in your mouth. Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Merryliving and I welcome you all to Merryliving. Alright, so it's a very boring morning and I thought to do something fun, eat something fun, and I'll be filming it. So I just want to do like an intro to what you're going to be seeing. Capish? Alright, so now this is something I want to have for breakfast and I just thought, okay, why not share? So it is called Parfait. A lot of you have heard of the word. Maybe you don't know what it is, maybe you know what it is, but for the interest of those that do not know what Parfait is, it's a dessert for it's a dessert with ice cream and fruit, or yogurt and fruit, or Greek yogurt and fruit, however you put it. But it's going to be my breakfast this morning, so I'm going to show you, run through how to make it, not how to make the yogurt or the Greek yogurt. Okay, if you want to know how to make that, if you want me to film that, then you can request. I can do like a request video, okay, for that, because it takes a longer process. But this one, I already made the Greek yogurt and it's ready up in the fridge. So all that needs to be done is layer. I'll just show you what to do, what not to do, what to use, what not to use, okay, so that we can all be enjoying these things. Sorry. All right, so let's get on to it. Yeah, get into it. Okay, so guys, we're here in the kitchen and these are what you need for Parfait, for a very basic Parfait homemade. So you need this, grapes, you need apples. I used both red and green apples, they're diced, and then you have your strawberries, and then we have this, which is your granola, and then this is the main thing. Like, you can't have a Parfait without yogurt or ice cream, or if it's a cake, Parfait cake. Okay, so you can't have Parfait without this. This is the master of ceremony. Is that correct? Okay, all right, so this is the main thing. This is the Greek yogurt. Is thick and it's pasty, and then you have your fruits, and then you have your granola. The granola is to have the granola, and the apple is to give it that crunch, give it that crunchy feel in your mouth. All right, so let's get on to it. All that is required of a Parfait is just to layer your fruit, make it in a way that it looks very attractive. Okay, so that's basically it. If you can put everything side by side to make it nice, make it look nice, then the rest is history. And don't forget taste. Your yogurt should actually be tasty. It shouldn't be I don't know if I can eat a Parfait with an unsweetened yogurt. I don't know, because these fruits are not that sweet except for the apple and the grape. Okay, so these other ones are strawberry. Of course, it just has a very nice smell, but it's not sweet, it's sour in the mouth actually. All right, so let's get right into it. So now I have my pasty Greek yogurt, and all I have to do is to start putting, sorry guys, I'm filming with my phone, so permit not seeing my face. What is in my face for? All right, so So what you have to do is just, to pick the fruits and then dump them in a plate. Pick your granola, dump them in a plate and make it look nice and let it end in your stomach. That's all, okay? All right, so let's do this. Now pick this, okay, you just put them like so. Just arrange them in a plate. All right, so I get my strawberries, put them this way. Sorry, okay, actually I have just very little yogurt left. That's why it looks like the fruit is drowning in the yogurt. When you're doing your parfait, the fruit is not meant to drown in it. It's supposed to hold the fruit. Like the fruit is supposed to be on top of it, not underneath it. It's only supposed to be underneath when you're mixing and then eating. But if you're, say, giving it to someone, they are meant to see what they are eating, okay? So it's not meant to drown. So I don't know if my yogurt is pasty enough to hold it up or is drowning it, because I had very little Greek yogurt and then I had to thin it out so that it can multiply. All right, so I'll put more of this because I love it. It's sweet. Who does not love sweet? Okay, then we'll go for green apples. I don't know if I'm layering this well, but okay, you get the idea. So we'll go for green apples. Just sprinkle them here and there. Red apples too. Just pick them, pick a handful. Okay, play with this thing. That's why I called it a fun food. It's fun. You're just playing with colors and fruits and just have fun while doing it. It's not that serious. It's just for your eyes only. All right, so I have a handful of this. Don't worry guys, my hand is clean. Now just look at that. Isn't this beautiful? It's just that I'm not going to, I don't want too much of sweet, and I just don't, it's already sweet. The yogurt is sweetened and with the fruit and everything. So if you like, you can just have a touch of honey on it. You can sprinkle maybe honey or caramel syrup or anything that can bring out please, not anything, any edible syrup, any nice looking syrup that can just help with the colors. I usually use honey to bring out mine, but I don't have honey, and even if I have, I wouldn't use it because this thing is already sweet. Okay, so this is our parfait ready to be eaten. Ready to be eaten. So let's try this out. So guys, this is one of the healthiest breakfasts you can have. Emphasis on one of the. I'm not saying it's the healthiest of them all. I'm saying it's one of the healthiest. Okay, which implies that there are other healthy breakfasts that you can have, especially if you're trying to boost your immune system, you're trying to watch your weight and all that. This is the best of the best that you can use. It's light, it's not heavy for breakfast, okay? It's very light, and as much as it's light, it's filling. Do you understand? It's light, it's a light breakfast, but it holds your stomach. It's like, I don't know, how do I say it? It a belle full. Forgive my choice of word, but yeah, it a belle full. Okay, so now this is a fiber packed food because of the apple and the granola. Okay, they are fiber packed. Apple is a fiber packed fruit, granola is a fiber packed cereal. Is it a cereal? Yeah, I think. Taste it. I tasted it before, but longer truth is in me. Okay, now here's the deal. It has a tangy, sweet taste. What does that mean? Because of the strawberry, it has this tangy taste, very slappy, very sour taste. But then, when maybe you have a mix of both strawberry, apple, and grape in one In one what? In one spoon? Ha! In one scoop. See, except if not, except if not eating the right one. Parfait is nice. Parfait feels like heaven in your mouth. No kidding. Parfait feels like heaven in your mouth. That's what it is. If that's the best way to describe it, heaven in your mouth. Tell me what tastes like that. If not Parfait. Let me drop this bowl. If you've not subscribed, please tell me, what are you waiting for? What? Subscription is free. My dear brother, my dear sister, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like, comment, ask me questions. If you want me to do the Greek yogurt version of it, you want me to, run through the process of Greek yogurt, just all you need to do is ask. Ask and you shall receive. Just ask, okay? On the comment section anyway. All right? And share this video with your friends. There are a lot of people that don't know these things. Okay, I'm not doing it for fun, but I'm also trying to pass a message across, trying to teach you one or two. Okay, so let's eat healthy, let's live healthy. As our name implies, Merryliving. You can't live merrily if you're unhealthy. Okay, so let's eat healthy, live healthy, have lots of fun. Wahala no dey finish. Enjoy yourselves. Have a wonderful day. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll continue emphasizing on this one. So just pardon me. But like, comment, share this particular video. Share it. Subscribe. And I love you all. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful time. Have a wonderful morning. And